How you guys doing? My name is Brian. I'm a salesman here at Sawmill Auto. I'm going to introduce you to this 2017 Honda Civic EX 4-door sedan, 1.5 turbo. Let's start off by going to the wheels. This EX has 17-inch aluminum wheels with all-season Firestone tires. Out here in front, headlights feature this nice LED accent on the bottom, also accented by some fog lights in the front. Now let's check out this turbo. Here we have a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder motor featuring a turbo, pushing about 174 horsepower, making it very economic and fun to drive. Also, what Honda is really good at doing is the styling on this 2017 Honda Civic. We also have a side view camera so you can see everything on your blind side. And of course, we love mirrors that fold like this when the bicyclist comes right by and knocks your mirror out. Also, a great feature about this 2017 Honda Civic sedan, it may look like the trunk is small, but actually when you open it, you have plenty of room. So for all you moms that have strollers, it'll fit right in. If you need a little more room, you can pull this down, push the seats down, and you have perfect room. You can put golf bags, snowboards, whatever you like, it fits. So let's check out the inside of the 2017 Honda Civic EX. First off, start with all the controls on the steering wheel. You have your volume buttons, your cruise control buttons, and your main information buttons on your display screen. You also have a lovely display screen for your radio. You can control the climate through there, or you have the actual climate control below it, followed by heated seats buttons that you might not need now in the summer, but they come in handy in the winter. Also, you have the shifter assembly here with the brake hold feature button on the left hand side. The emergency park brake is located right underneath that. Also, Honda loves to be economic and fuel economy, so we have the Econ button here that comes in very handy. Also, the EX has a lovely sunroof, perfect for those nice summer days. And a lot of people don't know, but Honda puts a little Easter egg in each of their EXs. If you go right inside the center console, you have this mat tray right here, and it has underneath, it's inscribed or etched with all the Honda inventions. You have the Honda Jet, you have Honda race cars, motorcycles. There's 4 different ones. If you buy an EX, make sure to check which one you have. There's 4 of them, so collect them all. Again, my name is Brian. You know who to ask for when you come down when you're looking to buy your next car. Remember, if it says salvage, it means savings. Come on down to 12 Worth Street, Yonkers, New York. A one-stop shop that's worth it, where you can buy this 2017 Honda Civic EX 1.5 turbo with 8 miles and save money.